my channel, and this video is not going to be too long. I want to react on this issue, this claim that PM will be extradited to Nigeria. In fact, Nigerian government and the Nigerian army, they are boasting about it and saying a lot of things is going on. There are a lot of claim about it, and I'm here to tell you my own view with help of this our brother who happened to be in Finland. We are going to hear what he have to say pertaining the condition of PM so far and what his own prediction about the outcome of his PM verdict. But before then, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. So we have seen the claim from different platforms saying that Nigerian government are working hard, making sure that they want to rendition PM and extradite him back to Nigeria. That a lot of things they are ready. In fact, everything has been completed. When you listen to them, sometimes or somehow you begin to wonder why is that Biafrans are not saying anything about it. The reaction from Biafrans seem to be quiet, and it's not as if that Nigerian government are bluffing about it, because this is how we were neglecting them when they were claiming that PM they have arrested him, they have sent him to jail and prison and all that. We were thinking that it's not possible because Finland disappointed everybody. That's just the fact. But this is not a call to fight Finland. I'm just trying to highlight on that because personally I felt disappointed, and I have every reason to feel the same, because the trust and the hope we had on Finland is over there, because we were thinking that it's not possible. I was kind of people that believe that everything that the claim that these people are claiming about it is just, they are just talking to themselves, that it's not possible. But it is not obvious that everything is possible, because they understand that Igbo people are there to for taking. They can ride on Igbo people and get away with it. And the problem of Igbo man is an Igbo man. So that is it. Now, when you listen to the broadcast of Ogechukwu Nkere, if that's Isaiah Ayogo, you will hear him saying that PM and Mazamkan have done their part. So do you know what that means? They have done their part, meaning that they're not coming back. In fact, their own have been done and dusted. So there's nothing like coming back. And the same people will turn around and tell you that he's an acting prime minister. So acting means that it's temporal, but the action and their movement and their program shows that they don't believe that he's going to come back and he's not going to get it easy. Then one may think, okay, since that is the case, what are they doing to free him and all that? You find that there's nothing. They are not doing anything. So it's all about you believing what you believe on and say what you think that you can say. But the truth of the matter is that they are not ready to, work for his release or anything. In fact, they ignored him on your tent, oh Israel. That's what they're doing. But the recent claim from Nigerian government and Nigerian army chief and all that he will be extradited and this and that, like I said before, I cannot doubt it anymore. Before now, I will tell you no, it's not possible with full chest. But now I can't do that, because I was heartbroken when what happened. And seeing what has happened and the way things are going, anything is possible. But I pray and hope that my fear will not come to reality. But if it do, my brothers and sisters, I will think twice about the movement. I'm being honest. About everything, I will think twice. Because it will be very difficult for me to accept PM and Mazen Khan being taken, not because of Biafra or anything, but the insult on Igbo people will be so huge. It is a very big shame. But let's cross our finger. Let's see. Let's hope and believe that this will not be the way they are planning and plotting. So let's hear from this our brother. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe.
Okay. Not go happen again.
Please do that. Subscribe.
No, if you also ask them to pay some fine like that, that's all. But they will release them.
Okay.
We need good leadership.
No, the video I want to pause it from here and play it again.
My brothers and my sisters, how are they now? Yeah, I want to talk about Simon Ekpa, his fate. At the moment, we are still waiting to hear from the court, like when I'm gonna set up a time for him to come out and defend himself. So pending, I won't just predict, given like what the sentence is gonna look like after everything, with my experience and all the evaluation so far. Last, they don't fit, grab the guy on the matter of terrorism, because I don't think they will be able to have enough proof saying that the guy they incite terrorism for Nigeria and they push guys them to use violence, to maim people for Niger. But concerning the money laundering on that one, it's clear to see, on a transaction. So that one, if you just carry and pin them down. But the pinning down, not me say that will sentence the guy, they carry and go prison. No, if you just give a suspended sentence, and suspended sentence means, they will just release the guy on condition that the guy behave well. That what happen before not happen, or what them be here say be happen not go happen again. They feel also ask him to pay some fine like that. That's all, but they will release him. And the guy will continue with his activism. I can't stop. So I don't know for Nigeria what I don't really know for Nigeria what I don't really know what Nigeria wants. Like like the Nigerian government.
So yesterday there was a rumor that someone in Abuja, saying that PM has been extradited back to Nigeria, and some people said that he's about to be extradited and all that. So COS respond to that. Yet we are still waiting for the to give us their own update. But anyway, so COS said, breaking, this is an old news when Finland local police explained that they did not give out information about our PM to anyone. Biafrans, our PM will soon join us and the zoo is shaking. That was, what COS said in response to that. And it did not end there because there's another news for you. So the rumor is real. The rumor is real, and what I mean by is real is not that his PM has been extradited. I mean that that rumor remains rumor. That is not only in one location; it is everywhere. As you can see here, COS, as this is 45 minutes ago, drop another message where she explained what is going on, and she said, as you can see, this is her handle. Breaking: the dragon is coming. Hello, madam. It is possible, according to that is somebody responding to, I believe this could be from Finland government or Finland police or something like that. But let's go through. I have not read this before, so let us try and see if you can make meaning out of it. He said, hello madam, it is impossible according to Finland law to extradite his own citizens and release him to Nigeria. There is no bilateral contracts existing between Finland and Nigeria concerning releasing suspected of a crime from Finland to Nigeria or vice versa. Okay, that is, it's not possible. This rumor and gossip are being spread here too. So it's not as if it is one location. And most fact is that Finland has not received any official request from Nigerian government or whatsoever. They have not received anything or whatsoever. Nothing of that kind. And for now, what we know is that the crime Simon is suspected of, aggravated publicly, is sanctioned. It is nothing like serve crimes. For now, we do not know if police can put together something more in the pre-trial investigation. All in all, there is no way Nigerian government can get their hands into Simon's court process. Finland. So this is, what PCS have gathered for you to understand it, okay? Because the rumor is, I don't know if they're saying those things for the sake of juju. Maybe because the way they started saying that, okay, we are trying our best to bring him back, to do this, to do that, to arrest him, like play. That thing really happened. But everybody was quiet. So let's not just jump into conclusion. But like I said, if that is true, if I eventually happen, God forbid, I will have something to say. I'm not gonna lie. because I cannot stand this kind of level of sabotage because of Ndibo now, because it's getting too much. Anyway, my people, thank you so much for your time, and please like this video. I would like to hear from you. Do you agree or disagree? But after really going through what you said, I believe that my spirit is calm, to be honest with you. So let's see. Thank you.